Howdy folks, how you doing? So yeah, we're editing this new video. So we'll be doing a pheasant hunt. This is obviously after the fact, so I'm editing it right now, actually. So I'm actually taking a break and making a short little video. So that's what I'm doing. But yeah, no, I finally got a good, decent computer for video editing and some better editing software, because the other stuff I was using was really janky and it's horrible. So yeah, now I'm gonna be able to get some stuff, some more professional, transitions and stuff. It's gonna look nice. But like I said, it's a lot of work and it's a lot to learn. So I will be getting better, but not necessarily. I don't really know like everything, so I will be learning as I go. Anyways, I just thought I'd give you guys that information, and hopefully you enjoy the footage that I'm editing right now. Some good shots. But yeah, it'll be great. Anyways, enjoy.
Oh shit. Get blurry down there. There it is.
Damn. Oh, there you go.
Smoked that one.
I don't know if I hit it or if I hit it. I know you hit it first.
Don't matter. He's pissed. Hey, buddy.
There you go. Good boy.
Good boy, Tank. Good boy. All right. Okay.
There you
room
go.
in there still, or you
Yeah,
want
sure.
to,
Go ahead.
You can tuck it in here.
Sure. No. Tuck it over here. You got stuff back there.
No, there's pouches for him.
Okay.
Well, at least I'm gonna just stand right here. Hopefully it's not too far. Yeah, he's got it.
Oh God. Hold on. Let's get closer.
Just wait and see if he. I think he's got it.
Got him.
Damn.
Woo! Yeah, I hit him. Finally. My foot's a little
I
soaked.
meant on camera, but yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, bub. Beep.
Bring it to your master.
Come on, bud.
Woo! I gotta get out of this. That's 5. Isn't it?
Huh?
That's 5, isn't it?
Pretty good average so far.
Okay, well then I don't know. All right, hold on, I'm getting a bird. All right, bye. Here we go. Yeah, he's got something.
You recording something?
Yeah.
Damn it, Tank.
Tank, let him go.
You good boy.
Oh shit. Oh dude. You're good. I made sure he was clear above your head. I was like, I'm not taking this shot, and then you ducked down. I was like, oh, he's letting me have it. I was gonna walk. I was gonna step to the side, and then you got down. You're like, ah!
I not even kidding. I was like, oh shit. Oh wait, he's not gonna shoot. And then I was like, ah!
Well, you ducked down, and I was like, well, he's not ready. I gotta shoot it. Hey guys, we're back watching. We're doing some more editing here. Just finishing up, doing the last minute touches. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try to get some more things going. I've got some ice fishing stuff coming up here soon. I know Indiana, we don't have like a lot of time to ice fish, so our window of opportunity is really tiny. But anyway, so we're gonna try doing some of that stuff too. Obviously, we're gonna hit it hard in the spring for fishing. But yeah, so I mean, the videos now are just mostly gonna be me doing some pheasant hunts here and there, and hopefully getting on to some nice fish on the ice, which I'm really excited because I've never done before, so I'll be learning to do that too. But like I said, thanks for watching and peace.